Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to turn on or turn off Always On Display on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And firstly, let's open the list of applications using this digital crown, and here we need to open settings. After this, we will need to open the main settings and find this tab which is named Display and Brightness. Here it is. And if we scroll a bit, we'll see the Always On feature. So mine is enabled now, but if you want to disable it, just simply tap on the switcher once more. And if you tap it again, it will be enabled. Here you can also choose to show complication data or not show, to show notifications and show live activities. Let's tap it here and, for example, disable complication data. And now Always On Display is enabled, and let me show you how it will work. So I'm gonna lock my watch, and after a few seconds you will see the Always On Display. And here is how it looks. If you tap it, you'll see your lock screen, bright and clear like that. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.